everyone, I am Asha from the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Global Academy of Technology. I'm here because I love teaching. You can find me at my YouTube channel Asha Heba. Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. This is a quote from Mahatma Gandhi. In today's lecture, I will be discussing on isometric projections. A cone of base diameter 50 mm and height 40 mm is placed centrally on the top face of a square slab, side 80 mm and height 20 mm. Draw the isometric projection of the combination. So here you are having two solids. One is a rectangular slab, a square slab of 80 by 80 mm, thickness equal to 20 mm. Over that you are placing a cone of diameter equal to 50 mm and the height is equal to 40 mm. First you need to construct the square slab of 80 by 80 mm. So from any point go towards right 8 boxes. Each box measures 10 mm. So 80 mm means you have to go 8 boxes towards your right. Then 80 mm. So from the same point towards left, go 8 boxes. 80 mm means each box measures 10 mm. So 8 boxes towards your left. Again 8 boxes along the 30 degree inclination line and 8 boxes along the 150 degree inclination line. You have constructed a square base of 80 by 80. Thickness is 20 mm. So from each corner go up by 2 boxes vertically upward direction. So 2 boxes vertically upwards. So from each of the corners, go up 2 boxes. Then join all the top corner points. So connect all the top points. That completes the top surface of the square slab. Now you have to place the cone of 50 mm diameter. So get the center of the square slab. 80 mm means 4 boxes. Draw a line parallel to 30 degree line. Again 80 at the midpoint, draw a line parallel to 150 degree inclination line. So the diameter is 50. From the center, go 25. That is 2 boxes and the middle of the box measures. So 25, again 25 mm. 2 boxes and the middle of the box, that is 25 mm. Then 55 boxes along 30 degree inclination line. Always you have to move parallel to 30 degree or 150 degree inclination line. Again 5 boxes along 150 degree inclination line. Again 5 boxes. Then 2.5 boxes. So this completes the square of 50 mm. So you need to draw the circle or the ellipse. So from any one of the corner, from the corner to the opposite midpoint of that edge, you draw the line. From here to the midpoint of the opposite edge, from here to the midpoint of the opposite edge. Again from the other corner, follow the same procedure. Measure the distance from this corner to the midpoint, draw an arc. Keep your compass at this position. Again from the opposite side, draw an arc. Again radius at this point, center at this point, radius, draw an arc. Again with this as the center, this as the radius, draw an arc. Center and the radius. This is the radius, this is the center, draw an arc. Again this as the center, this as the radius, draw an arc. From this point, go up by 40 mm. So from here, measure 4 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4. So then join to the ellipse tangentially. Then make it as visible line. All other lines will be projection line. This is the completion of the problem. Thank you. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel, Asha Hemba.